Some local businesses have empty parking lots, while their competitors right down the street are packed. The difference? One simple ranking factor, and AI can fix it in 10 minutes. This might be the best side hustle I've seen yet in 2024. Let me tell you exactly what you learn here. I'm going to show you how AI spots why some businesses get all the customers, why others stay empty. I'm going to walk you through a 3-step method that's bringing local businesses 50 plus new customers per month. And I'm going to demonstrate that exact method live with an HVAC contractor in Lubbock, Texas. So here's the thing about ranking local businesses online. It's like going camping with friends and a bear shows up. You don't need to be faster than the bear, you just need to be faster than your slowest friend. It's the same principle here. You're competing with business owners who lack the time, the expertise, the commitment to make their business visible online. So let me explain what I mean. There's a plumber here in my town who spent $2,000 on radio ads. Do you know how many calls he got? 3. Last month, using this AI method, his calls jumped to 47. At $500 per job, that's over $20,000 extra each month. Now, he tried writing his own website content for several weeks, but between emergency calls and scheduled jobs, he just didn't get very far. Plus, the content he did produce didn't perform well at getting more calls. It's not complicated, but there's a process to producing content that Google recognizes. Business owners are expert at their craft. They're busy doing $200 an hour work. Why would they stop that to learn and manage this themselves? That's why most business owners are happy to pay someone to do this for them, as long as you do it well and get results. Now, here's what makes this the best side hustle I've seen. You need to focus on cities with populations under 500,000. To explain why, if we pulled up Houston, you'll see local businesses paying agencies $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 a month to rank well. But if you look at Amarillo, Texas, most businesses aren't doing anything. They barely have a website. You can easily get that business more customers, charge them $1,000 a month, and let them enjoy a 20x return on investment. There are just 3 things that can put a business in the top ranking and flood them with phone calls. Let me show you live with an HVAC company in Lubbock. So the first thing we're going to do, using this AI tool, Claude, which I prefer dramatically to ChatGPT, is we're going to identify additional Google business categories and services for this local business. I have a prompt that I use for this. You can see it here. I'll hit enter and get Claude to generate some additional secondary categories and services. And there we go. Now, we're going to take this information and use it to outline the homepage for this HVAC contractor. We start with the outline first because we're going to get much better results by telling Claude exactly what output we want as part of the outline. So brand new chat again with Claude here, and let me show you exactly how this works to get Claude to give us an outline. I'm going to paste in my prompt, my set of custom instructions, and you can see at the bottom here, I've given it the HVAC contractor, the secondary categories, and the GBP services that Claude just generated for me. So I'm going to hit enter on that, and Claude is going to start building this outline for me, one section at a time. So it's asking me there what the primary keyword is, so I'm just going to go ahead and give it as HVAC Lubbock. And here it's giving me the title tag, the meta description, the URL, and the H1. So I'll have it move on to the introduction block. Again, this is just the outline that we're asking it to do. So for the featured snippet, part of what we want it to do is ask us exactly what specific query to target. So it's going to give us some suggestions, and I'll just choose number 1. Now for the main content sections outline, it's giving me H2 tags that match the GBP secondary categories. That's exactly what we want. And just put GBP services in each one. And again, telling it to proceed to the next section. So here it's suggesting the addition of an FAQ, so I'll go ahead and let it add that. And now I'll ask for the complete outline in one place. With this detailed outline, we can take this, give it to Claude, and ask it to basically fill in the blanks to write the content. To get the best possible content, I'm going to grab content that's already ranking well for my target keyword, HVAC contractor. I will give Claude that content, this outline it just created for us, as well as a fairly lengthy prompt telling it exactly what I want it to do and how I want it to write this new content. So the first thing we'll do, I've searched for HVAC Houston, then I'm going to give it the outline it just generated for us. And then we'll just go ahead and hit enter and let it start generating. And as with the outline, we can just tell it to continue on and continue on and continue on as it keeps writing this content. So that's it, just a few minutes, a couple of copy-paste prompts, and we have a pretty good set of content for our homepage. The third thing we have to do is to join the local chamber of commerce, maybe a couple local chambers of commerce, sponsor a couple of youth sports teams. These are going to cost you maybe $200 or $300 each, but with this content and a couple of those sponsorships and chamber of commerce memberships, you'll probably be ranking. This isn't rocket science. You don't need years of experience. With AI, you just need the right prompts and these 3 steps. Now, you've seen how simple AI makes this, but what you saw today was just a sample. Inside my exclusive school community, I have the complete blueprint, every step broken down, every AI prompt laid out for you exactly what you need to do. No guessing, no trial and error, just copy, paste, and follow along as I show you exactly how to replicate these results in any small city. There's a link in the description. If you hit that, you'll be able to join that school community. Now, if you found these strategies helpful, you definitely want to check out my complete guide to SEO. Just click this video here to learn how to combine these AI techniques with proven SEO fundamentals that will help you outrank your competition. I'll show you step by step how to analyze your market, optimize your content, and build quality links. Go ahead and click now to take your SEO skills to the next level.